Stephan, one of my favorite financial YouTubers, just released this video. Kevin O'Leary reacts to my $10 million investment, Shark Tank. And I would like to react to the part of that video where they talk about stocks.
So let's look at this. Stock market investments. Individual stocks, 1.14 million. Index funds, that's good, 772,000.
Did you see the reaction on index funds? He was like, index funds? Oh, bunch of money there. That's good. That's what I'm trying to tell you from the beginning of this channel, right? Index funds are really that good. Kevin says that, Graham says that, even Warren Buffett says that. I hope you finally believe that.
California state free bonds, very good, 150,000. Silver, 12,000. Acorns, so you're using Acorn, that's good.
Yeah, I tested all the apps so I could give it a shot.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Cash, 320.
That's within the stock market brokerage.
Yeah.
It's not all cash, just so I continually buy into the market.
The discipline is every 90 days to trim back anything over 5% and put it into something else that you've decided to go into. What happens to portfolios like this that aren't, it's like trimming a hedge. No sector more than 20%, no stock more than 5%.
No sector more than 20%? Oops. And no stock more than 5%? Oops. How do you do it, my friends? Write me in the comments what is your percentage of your sectors and what is your percentage of your top stocks. Write me in the comments, I'm curious about it. I guess Kevin is more conservative because I guess he has a bunch of money. And how much is worth, Kevin? How much is worth? Okay, $400 million. I thought he's a billionaire. Okay, but it's still a bunch of money. It's conservative strategy, it's diversification, but I believe in one thing, and if you are a little bit younger, you have still more options to risk more, because you have more years to get it back if you do something wrong, right?
You've got 3 stocks here over 5. You give up some of the upside, but when the correction hits, like a Tesla rolls over and goes down 38%, you don't take the full hit because you've taken profit out on the trimming.
I'm worried about taxes.
Yeah,
because my thought is 50%.
Yeah. And I'm telling you, that's the biggest mistake you can make in your life is to worry about taxes. The fact that you have to worry about taxes is a wonderful thing. It means you're making money. But to say, oh, I don't want to sell, a stock that's now 11% of my portfolio because I don't want to take the tax hit, you will pay a brutal price for that. You will have a massive correction, you won't have taken any gains, and you will hurt yourself immensely. That's the one mistake you're making here.
Yeah, if you do it like this, you can a little bit limit your upside because you are more diversified. But on the other hand, like he said, if something happens, if it goes down, corrections and so on, you don't lose so much. But like I said, I still think that I am young and I like to take a little bit more risks because it's more entertaining for me, I would say.
You've got to do your work. Are you using any margin?
No.
That's the other thing. Never use margin in stocks. Never do that. Never.
Hi, Kevin. I totally agree with this. Never use margin on stocks. Don't do it. I will take my risks, but with my money. I wouldn't take risks with someone else's money. No, don't do it, guys. Never take margin.
Never, never, never. People think margin's free. When there's a correction, you get slaughtered.
Right.
They'll sell you out in 2 seconds. Cash position, 1.8 between cash, 1.75, 12 months CD. 200,000 cash, but you need this to make deposits on real estate. What is cash for your total net worth? How much cash do you have versus your entire net worth?
So cash would be about 30%.
That's healthy.
Cash,
That's healthy. I actually have more than 30% in cash.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. I've had some exits in real estate recently. I sold my commercial real estate, and I'm going to wait until I see what the economy looks like in 36 months to go back in. But as a result, I'm sitting on a ton of cash.
Okay, 30% of cash of your net worth. I have little problems here. Let me see. I know I have problem with this one. I know it. I have 2%. I know I have problem with this one. I just don't like when money are sitting in bank account. I'm always crying when they are sitting on bank account. I want to invest it somewhere. I don't want to have it on bank account. But I understand the reasons, I understand I have to do it. I have to do at least 10%, maybe 20, 10%. 10 would be nice, I guess.
Is that you got too much real estate, but that's how you made your money in the first place.
Working on it.
Yeah.
So what would you give this, 1 out of 10? I think you gave me an 8.234
well,
as
an operator, you know, you were an 8, but as a portfolio manager, I got to bring you down to probably a 7, maybe a 6.5. Why? Over-concentrated in one asset.
Fair enough.
So if I just looked at this without knowing who you were, I'd say this guy has too much real estate.
Okay.
And so, you know, but if you, real estate is who you are, so I get it. But all your maneuvering now should be raise more cash, buy more diversity, maybe a little more conservative. You know, my portfolio of, I probably have 1,000 stocks, but the majority of them all pay me, and they pay me monthly. So I have a really strong cash flow every month, and my biggest problem is what do I do with the cash. And that's how I buy watches.
There we go.
Did he say over 1,000 stocks? I thought many people recommend 15 stocks, maximum 20, so you know what you're buying and you can manage it, right? But I guess he has managers for his portfolio, that's why, I guess. And when he said that Graham is over-concentrated in one asset, he meant real estate, because Graham is known that he started from real estate and he has a bunch of money in real estate. So Graham has to go more on stocks and I have to go more on real estate. So my friends, if you want to see the full video, it's on Graham's channel. I will give you a link in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Hit the like button if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.